So here in this video we are going to understanding about the null pointer in C. So how to declare the null pointer? So in order to declare the pointer, we simply write over here as say int, then asterisk, then we give the name to this pointer as say ptr, and here I write semicolon. Now I will write here the printf function, and here I will write the value, the address of variable is, and then we have to use %x for the variable, and here we put \n, then we have to use comma, and here we have to give the variable name as a pointer, and one more line I will write here printf, and here I will write the message say the value or value of variable that is of integer type, so I have to use the format %d, then here I use \n, and here I will give the reference as of pointer type in order to display the values to assign to it. So pointer, and put the semicolon here. Now save your changes here and go to execute menu, choose compile and run here, and here you see the address of the variable is 1. So sometime this is showing that the address of the variable is 1, and it's not displaying this next line because it is exiting from here, and this is basically a exception. Basically the address is not in the form of 1, so address is either 0 or nothing. So null pointer is the pointer that is initialize equal to null. So here we have to initialize equal to null in order to make it as a null pointer, so we have to use assignment operator and then put null here. So save your changes, then go to execute menu, choose compile and run, and here you see the error in the function main. There is an error in the line number 5, that error null undeclared. So null here is considered to be as undeclared value. So whenever you have to assign a variable, whenever you create a pointer variable and to that you wanted to initialize equal to null, then you have to use null in capital letter. Okay, so you have to write your null in a capital letter, not in small cases. So go to execute menu, choose compile and run, and here you see the address of the variable is 0. Okay, as it is not pointing to any variable, so no, as it's not pointing to any variable, so no address will be assigned to this. So this is showing a 0. Or you can also, in place of null, you can also put it as 0 here. So save your changes, go to execute menu and choose compile and run, and it's showing me the address of the variable is 0. So whenever you have to create a pointer variable and to that you want to initialize equal to null, you can use null in capital letter, or either you can use 0 here. So this is how the null pointer works in C programming. Most of the time this null pointer is used in header files like stdio.h, conio.h, log.h. So that's all about the null pointer.